Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna still stick with Project Unity. I'm just gonna go over it quick and leave you guys with just the important stuff. For the base color, I'm gonna mix these two together. It's mid yellow and Berlin red. You guys have seen it a tons of time already by now to make orange. And we all know that the complementary color to orange is blue. So for the pouring part, you heard it right. Ta-da! My trusty phthalo blue and turquoise. You guys should have seen this coming because like the last video, it was a blue background pour, and then there's also a red and yellow. So yeah, if you mix those two together, it's actually, you guessed it, orange. And that's what we're gonna do with this this piece. We're just gonna reverse the other. And for the type of pour, still the same. We're gonna stick with funnel pour and use the straw to blow the edges. Oh, and this is amazing. I'm not sure if you can see it close, like how this dries. The white dried a little bit cloudy, but the red, the yellow, and the blue is still so vibrant. So it's pretty good. It's a good piece. And to all the new viewers out there, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribe and hit that, you know what it is, that notification bell icon, like right there, so that YouTube will notify you next time I post this type of content. Without any further ado, let's jump into the pouring part. So there you have it, guys. This is the end result. Personally, these I don't really like how it goes, like the part that I blow. Excuse my fingers again, like it got dirty. I don't like how the edges got blown out, but if you look at the center part, that's where all the good stuff lies, you know, like all these cells, especially this part here, this part right here. Look at that, look at the cell separation. And also this part right here, it's pretty good. So yep, I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. See ya.